Okay, so we'll be solving this question, convert sorted array to binary search tree. So what would be the logic? In binary search tree, we already know that to the left side of the tree is always the smaller value, and to the right side of the tree is always the greater value. So when we have been given a sorted array, what we could do is we could take the middle element, put it as the root node, okay, and then to the right side of the array would become the right subtree, and the left side of the array could become the left subtree. So what I'll be doing is I'll say start is equals to 0 and end is equals to nums dot length minus 1. Okay, now I'll call a helper method. Okay, now this helper method would return me the tree as well. So I'll say nums comma small and the larger value. Then I'll say private tree node helper. This will take three parameters: first the array, then the starting of the array, and then the end of the array. Now I'll say the first condition, the base condition would be if my the smaller value, the start is greater than end, right? I will return null. That means there are no nodes or no values in between of this. The other is, and then what I will be doing is, what we decided that the middle value will take the middle value, mid is equals to start plus end by 2. Okay, now we did take the mid value. Now I have the mid value. Now what I'll do with the mid value, I'll create a tree node. I'll say tree node is equals to new tree node, and I'll pass in nums mid. Okay, then I'll say node dot left is equals to helper nums comma. Now I'll pass in the left side of the array, that is s comma mid minus 1, and I'll say node dot right is equals to helper nums mid plus 1 comma end, and I'll return node. Let's try to run it. Okay, it's running. Let's submit it. Yeah, it's working. So what we did in this question was we took the starting index and the index of the array. We simply passed in to this particular method. Now this method, what it did, it checked whether if there are any node in between this particular range, right? If any node is there, right? If any value is there. If not, it will directly return null. If I have any value between this particular range, then I will find out the middle of that particular array, and I'll create a tree node out of that. To that tree node, I'll say the left of that tree node is equals to the left side of the array, whatever that would return, whatever subtree that would return, and right equals to the right side of the array, that whatever right subtree it would return, right? And then I did return the node value, and this is it. Thank you.